How important is ongoing training? We're going to find out next. If you're looking for a surefire way to reduce efficiency, frustrate your employees, and ultimately have them move on to another collision repair facility, neglect their ongoing training. Not prioritizing ongoing training leads to inefficient and inaccurate use of your tools, as well as frustrated employees. It's a contributing factor to the high turnover in our industry. When hiring managers and finding new vendors, be sure to make sure they value ongoing training. Start building a plan to retain your staff and ensure valuable process knowledge isn't lost when they leave. As you evaluate new business partners, start asking these two key training questions. Do you understand my business as well as your product? Make sure they can combine collision sales backgrounds with intensive training and a deep understanding of how product utilization affects a shop's processes. To help reach your unique goals and tackle challenges, part of your initial onboarding should include in-person training at your shop. The session should focus on improving overall shop performance through consistent use of your new product's capabilities. By training employees to use tools in a way that allows them to see results they care about, your team will be more likely to retain the information and start putting it to good use immediately. Do you have ongoing training resources for my team? A regular training schedule is important because of what's known as the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, which shows that employees forget a substantial portion of what they've learned within just 2 weeks unless it is reinforced by additional training. As you evaluate new partners, make sure you know the training programs available. Are there on-demand training videos? Is there a knowledge base with how-tos? What in-person or webinar training opportunities are available and how frequently? Technology tools change, new features become available, and processes shift when management identifies more effective ways to work with customers. The business climate is ever-changing, and tomorrow's customers may not respond the same way to communications as today's customers do. Continuous training keeps your staff members on the same page, helps them quickly adjust when something new happens, and adds to their overall satisfaction. That, in turn, leads to better performance at your shop. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.